storage unit. Let me put the code in for you guys. Just kidding, I can't show y'all that. But good morning, guys. Today we're gonna be doing a storage unit haul. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is She. I am an entrepreneur. So I am an interior decorator. I paint furniture for a living. I buy and sell stuff from the thrift store, mainly home decor. And I also drop ship on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm a business consultant. So I do a little bit of everything, as you can see. Plus, I am a single mom. So anyway, look how dark it is. It's scary. Oh. I hate coming in here and then the lights like take forever to cut on, and it's actually freezing inside of this storage unit, which is supposed to be climate controlled. So I thought it would be a little bit warmer than this, but it literally feels like an icebox right now. So guys, I am walking to my storage unit. I've been renting here since about March. And sometimes I'm like, why, girl, why? Because I literally haven't been here in over like 2 weeks. But yesterday, something sold on Facebook Marketplace, so I came here to buy it. Before you get to see what's inside, I just wanted to say that somebody had messaged me, somebody had left a comment and was like, can you show us how you store things or whatever? So I thought, you know what, that would actually be a great video, because my house is like super small. It's 1,030 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. I have furniture in my house, but I also have furniture in my booth that's for sale, and then I also have things here. So anyway, today I'm going to show you guys what's in my storage unit. All right, guys, so here is my storage unit right now. I have, to me, this is empty, but some of y'all probably be like, dang, she got a lot of stuff in there. But anyway, so this is where I store everything. I have this really tall, what do you call this thing? Oh God, I'm so embarrassed right now. I cannot think of what you call this. Hall tree. I have this really tall hall tree. This was $25 at my local CHKD thrift store. And I bought this shit like back in March or something. Can y'all believe this thing fit in my Jeep? So what I really want to take it home with me now so that I can paint it, because I think it's going to look super handsome in black. I think black will be it, sis. Like, paint this thing up in black and distress it. It's gonna look so good, like in somebody's hallway. And I love that it has these storage hooks on it. So guys, this vanity is a piece that I recently got about a month ago. And this is the base of it. I got this thing for $50, guys. This is another piece I thought would be nice in black. Initially, I thought, okay, maybe I'll paint it like pink, but the shape of it doesn't scream pink to me. Even though I think with pink and some gold knobs, and these are the drawers over here. So I have to get new knobs for this because all the knobs were broken. But for $50, it was such a steal. The girl said it belonged to her grandma. So I thought about pink just because it's a vanity, but honestly, I think it would look better in black. And I could see it being like in a unisex bedroom where maybe there's like a husband and wife, and oh God, it's so cold in here. Woo, freezing. So I thought about actually painting in here because it was warmer, but now that it's freezing in here, that shit is not happening. So anyway, guys, this picture was from a project. I had a client in Hampton, and that was supposed to go in her house, but I ended up not even using it in her house. So now it's just sitting in storage, and I probably should go ahead and list this on Facebook Marketplace for sale for like $40 just to get rid of it. It's brand new. I have this picnic basket, which I had bought this because during the summer, a lot of people were doing like these picnic dates or whatnot. And this thing is really nice because it has everything. Oh my God, it's so cold in here, guys. Has everything inside of here. So has all the cups, and then this part is like insulated. So I was supposed to take pictures and put it on Facebook Marketplace. But anyway, guys, it's insulated in there. You get the point. Then I have this triptych set of art. So 3-piece set of art. I had this listed for past couple months. There's a dresser back there. This dresser has some damage to it, but I was thinking just of painting it white, because white, this molding in white is gonna take forever, but it's gonna be so pretty. But this is probably something I will work on when it warms up, because I am not sitting in this cold ass place and painting. Over here I have these gold chairs, and I told myself I was going to bring them out in the winter, spray paint them gold, and then just put some white fur on the seat, because they would just look super cute, and they're super, super heavy. So next time I go to Walmart, I'll be buying some more gold spray paint and some fur, and maybe even like pink fur would be cute. But definitely need, or Hobby Lobby probably has some, but I had these since like the summer. There's a lady that I purchased quite a few pieces from. She always has great stuff, and it was cheap. So both of these were like $30 or something. And I think after the paint and the spray, I probably could get sell them both for maybe like 60 or 70 each. Yeah, especially if I list them one at a time. But this is like a vintage mirror, guys. It goes to this dresser, and this dresser is on casters, and so I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but that is so cute. And I don't know, like, I've been thinking a lot about painting this, and I've been thinking a lot about painting it pink. I think that pink and gold just really does it. Like, people love that. So I think that'll be the next project that I work on, because I actually need to take something to the antique mall because it's a bit empty in there. This, guys, is a chest. It's made out of fruit wood, as you can see. This thing is beautiful. I'm gonna definitely paint this black. I did one for a customer and for her husband. She bought a white one from me, and then she found one that was just like this from somewhere on Facebook Marketplace, and it's just like has French legs, and it's just gorgeous. Sorry, it's turned backwards, but anyway, I'm gonna paint that black, and I'll probably sell it for like $400, because that's how much the lady no, she paid me $325, but I think in the antique mall listing it at $400 with the black and leaving the hardware this color. Oh my god, guys, it's just gorgeous. Then this is just like another little dresser. I'm gonna wait till it warms up to paint that as well, because it's gonna need flowers and all that kind of stuff, because it's pretty basic. Then this is actually the bench that goes to my vanity, but I was thinking that it probably could just go with this one. So for my birthday, my boo bought me a vintage vanity. Oh look, and this goes to the vanity. That goes on top of this for the mirror. But anyway, so I was thinking this bench could just go with that. This mirror, I probably just need to take it to the antique mall too, because it's just sitting in here and no one's thinking about it. I have this beautiful French provincial dresser, guys. This thing has to be like, I don't know, like maybe, let's see, I'm 5'3", and my face stops here. So yeah, this dresser is pretty long. It's longer than me. It has 9 drawers, and it's like really pretty, really gorgeous. And this is definitely getting painted pink, and I think I'm gonna ask like $500 for it. I only got it for $20, guys. $20 from the thrift store, but it was just so freaking long and so heavy. So when I decide to paint it, what I'll probably do is just take all of the drawers home and paint the drawers first, and then come back and get the dresser. And then this last dresser I actually got for free. Me and my friend are supposed to paint it together. He like paints apartments for a living, and so he was just like, look, I got this dresser, it's free, we should paint it and split the money. And I was like, yeah, we should definitely do that, but I just have not gotten around to it. I had too many projects going on, and it just got to be a little bit cold. And guys, my storage has no organization, because I literally just got so busy that I just threw shit in here. Here's like a little bit of stuff that I had left over from my last booth, and I actually need to probably take that Ritz can home and take a picture, because people love stuff like that, especially on Facebook Marketplace. And I got some men's wingback shoes and just some little random odd things or whatever. And this is a lamp that my client gave me. Some artwork on top of there. So yeah, guys, this is my storage. Oh, I also have another little bench. So that bench is shorter and probably would go better with that vanity. Okay, I guess it's time to go. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, whenever that happens, like, guys, whenever that happens, I just like run my ass out of here. I'm like, is that a sign I should leave? I think everything is a sign. But I'm gonna get out of here because I do not like when the lights turn off. It's so freaking creepy. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you paint furniture for a living and you don't have a ton of space, definitely get you a climate controlled storage unit. I really like this storage unit because they provide carts for you, so you can just like get a cart when you come in and like take your stuff in and out pretty easy by yourself. It's super clean. It's password protected, so you don't have to worry about random people just walking into the building or anything. Like, I haven't had any issues as far as renting here. My biggest thing that usually when I get here, like I told you guys, the carts are free. Usually there's no carts available because there's so many people like moving stuff. Oh God, the keys are stuck. But usually there's people moving stuff in and out, in and out. So usually carts aren't available. So that's where that little cart that I got from Amazon, guys, comes in handy. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys again next time. The cart is, I think it's under $100.